The Corner Jig is the next one-time tool our machine shop is working on. Milling the interchangeable template parts starts with securing the aluminum block. Now ready for milling, the pallet slides into the state-of-the-art CNC mill. After the milling cycle is complete, the pallet swaps with a fresh aluminum block. The operator then inspects every interchangeable template part by hand for tolerance, and to ensure they fit to the body of the tool. Meanwhile, solid blocks of aluminum are loaded up on another machine for milling the body part of the corner jig. These parts are also inspected one at a time for tolerance and to ensure a dead-on fit with the interchangeable templates. These freshly milled parts will then move on to the final stages of production and prepare for shipping. So stay tuned for more production updates to see what we're up to in the shop.